Welcome to Birchwood's 4th annual Celebrating Women event. With a Honda Jazz up for grabs, one lucky lady gets to drive this free for 1 year. Beautiful live entertainment upon arrival. To the waiters who kept everyone happy, special drinks poured from the aerial act. Celebrating our female clientele was the call of the day. Our MC Jason Greer kept the day moving. Our sales managers Chris McCormick and Jabulo Mabuza's welcoming. Imperial Honda's Wendy Badenhorst introduction and welcome. Great food and drinks, not forgetting the fun. Plus our winner, Nkele Mpete, who gets to drive the Honda for a year free. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you all next year. Birchwood, there is simply nothing like us.